Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Altcoin Buzz Trading Bull Market Edition. All right, today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Pancakeswap, Aptos, and Kucoin's native token symbol KCS. Let's get right to it. Bitcoin yesterday, while I was recording the video for you guys, we were rallying in this candle. After then, an interesting turn of events. We turned all the way back down, undercut the entire candle, and then rallied right back on through our level of 35,185. Found support there a little bit early today, and we're doing okay. My volume aggregation tool doesn't show us that the bulls are in full control, though I'm a little bit concerned by that. But as long as we make higher lows overall, we should be okay. I do like the fact that this trend line was respected. It's not a must, but it's definitely a good thing. You can go sideways through trend lines like this without much fanfare as long as it's sideways and on low volume. But we didn't. We actually bounced before we hit it. And now we are rallying through on the daily time frame. Things are, I'm not sure if they're looking extended, but they're looking a little bit extended. When we didn't get quite the pop through the level that we should have. This should have been a more explosive rally. We did stumble out of the gate with that first candle. And when we finally broke through here, volume was really good, but not a lot of follow through. We had another stalling candle up there. So we're still inching our way upwards, but we're not necessarily running out of the gate. And it's not a bad thing, but it's not ideal. Okay. So we've been in markets like this before where the market just kind of inches up and then blasts off. That's our best case scenario right now. Because other times we blast off, then inch up. So we're kind of in the midst of a little bit of both of those. I guess we blasted off about a week or two ago with this one, but I was expecting a little bit more out of this consolidation. All right, next up is Pancakeswap, which is on a roll. So Pancakeswap, didn't expect this aggressive of a move on it, but what a beautiful move. Not every pattern is going to work, and we talked about 3 tokens recently. One is fully met its measured move. The other 2 really haven't gotten off the launch pad, and got another one for you today. 1255 really blasted through there, never came back, and right now is continuing to go. So I mentioned yesterday, if it hits the target, no harm, no foul. This one, the way that this came in, you definitely could have held through this. You had a lot of profit if you gave it a shot. This is aggressive buying. This is really this is really aggressive buying on Pancakeswap. Let's zoom out on the daily and to see what we have overall. Biggest volume on the chart, ladies and gentlemen. That is what you love to see. In this situation, if you bought this token, I would try to hold this at least partially for a longer period of time. This is a very aggressive breakout. Look at that volume signature. And that is today, guys. So you cannot ask for more than that. You just can't. So very, very aggressive buying signature. And this could continue for quite some time, to be quite frank with you. I'm not saying it's going to. I'm saying it's possible. So how do you try to handle something like this? Well, one of the best things you can do, especially if you've already blown your target off, is you have to wait for its first consolidation, see how it handles it. It's a lot more than I can go into in this video, but I'm trying to think of something I could say. They want me to make videos 4 minutes long. Very difficult in my situation, but try to keep hold of it as long as you can. You can keep raising your stops at previous lows, like there. Now you could right there. There's that stop on the 2-hour time frame. You can raise your stop up like this, and then as it goes up, as volume gets tighter, you could take some profits, but try to keep some. If this market gets really good, this could get extremely aggressive with that kind of a volume signature. All right, next up is APT. Aptos, we talked about this one past couple of days. It's trying to get going. Hasn't come down and hit our stop yet, but it's trying to stay in the game. And that's really all you can ask of it. So just let this thing go. Let it do what it's doing. Has to work itself out. And a new one, Kucoin's token, KCS. This one has a pretty interesting cup on it. We've had this as a token for a while on my other channel, and it's attempted a couple of times, been pretty choppy on the right side of this cup. It's not the ideal kind of chop, but I wanted to bring you a fresh token today. And this one I have an alert with the 478. I don't have a measured move target on this one. I'm not sure if we'll go for this 25% move, but we definitely could. So 478, and if you want to go up 25%, you're looking at about 595 target on this one. Your stop right now would have to be here at about 450, which is a little bit, actually is not too bad, about 5% lower. So if we get to the 478, that would be your stop at this moment in time. We could draw that out for you real quick. I think this could be an opportunity. We've actually been tracking this one for a while, and it won't quite go away, and that's a good thing. So we're hoping for that. So let's draw this up here, 25%. So yeah, about the $6 level. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, 25%. Yeah, 587, give or take. You're never going to hit these on the nose. They're always roundabout. So in this particular one, 474.8 is my entry, and then 450 is a stop. 487.5 would be about the target. And if you look at that target level, it's right near a pivot point here. So that's actually a pretty good target for this one. So far, this rally's been pretty good, especially over what we've been through in the past year or two. It looks like we are at the start of something. I'm hoping we can continue and things can be stable. So, while I want things to move faster, while I want things to be more aggressive, we do see other things that are. Pancakeswap, a beautiful move out. So this is a bull market. Be aggressive in a bull market. Don't be afraid to take wise positions in a bull market. I brought you some tokens here that are smaller alt caps, but if you want to play around in the top 20 by market cap, you can look in these names right here, okay? So these are good things to do. Look at the stable tokens. Don't always look for the ones that are going to give you 20x, because a lot of times they don't. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.